say, baby, 'cause I had to mention, if you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. All the girls that got attention.
Go, 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 and on the count of three. Go, 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 and on the count of three. Go, 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 on the count of three. Everybody run back to your fantasy. Now.
Fake map. Lot English. Oh my gosh, ihlazo. Okay, angiyiboni kodwa okay. No, I feel like there'll be a distraction. Now when my kids mangixoxa ngoba phela ngathi ngiyazi ikhanda nokubuka amaduku njani. Okay, I'm gonna wait there. Fine, I like. I'm a hula hoop. Noma sifake inkinopho. Oh gosh, inzipho. Yacabanga ukuthi ngiyaphuthuma. Okay, sisi right. Guyzin Sanbona, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Welcome back to another YouTube vlog. Lale. I'm so like guys, I'm so excited for you guys. Ukuthi nibone le vlog and I'm glad. However, like I feel like I feel like this has to be one of my best vlogs I've made like on YouTube. Kodwa okay, for those who don't know me, I am a content creator. Most of my content we post on TikTok, but I just see lana on YouTube. So welcome guys. So yeah, I'm like la Guyzin. And like we returning subscriber how lalel uyazi now ngiyakulava ngiyakunida ngikuthanda aha. Okay guys, so kule vlog namhlanje bengade ngihambile. I went on my first oh my gosh, abengathanda ukuthi influence, but I went on my first content creator trip besikhathi sihambile Drakensberg. Before ngize ngiqhubeka, I just want to say thank you so much to you guys for push and support content yami. Buka sabe sasafika kule sigaba sesiyamenywa manje. So asambe Drakensberg. So sathi trip. You understand? Like it's so amazing and so overwhelming, guys. Like an understanding. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to a certain someone who made this possible for me. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. This was just amazing. Okay, you guys, so we got this here at Drakensberg. We went to go to jazz at the Drakensberg to go and promote Leo event khona. But before khona, I went in Jingo Kaylee Lodge. We went there. We did some activities. Ama clips I shot khona. But I tried to get as I'm trying corner, and then sesqeda Kaylee Lodge sahamba ke saye Drakensberg Sun. That was a beautiful hotel. That's a really nice hotel. And party oh my buffet guys. Oh my ngiyayisola futhi ngeke ngiyiphinde because wangingathathanga izinto eziningi like understand bekuningi nje bengiyitika. But silale khona ke Drakensberg Sun. Oh gosh, one thing about me guys, once ngafika endaweni nje ngaba excited kakhulu, ngiyakhohlana nokuthi hayibo ngizocreate content. So some of the clips I'm missing nje bathi ngishilo, but nizo enjoy. You're gonna love this. Ngizama ukuhlanganisa lo khona ke, but it's gonna be enjoyable. So ngiye khona ke Drakensberg Sun. Sesiqedile ke sahamba ke saye jazz at the Drakensberg. It was a nice experience. I feel like jazz it's for specific people. Bekumnandi ube khona indawo kupholile mina nje ngithanda uyabo kubontarata ufuna nje kube khona idom khona ipiano yabo, but ke siyakhula kumele sibe matured yabo shothi angafiki mina kuleso sigaba. But it was really nice indawo nje ibipholile. It was very chilled. I got to see uLanga Mavuso perform for the second time. Like angisback like uNkulunkulu uzama ukuthini like uzama ukuthini njengamanje bayibona kwesibili. So yeah, I saw him perform, and since a non food Okay, and then of course I'm gonna add a little extra clips izinto engazenza during this whole not influencer trip, but izinto engazenza nje endleleni. I went out with my friend Michaela. Some of you guys know her as Ooh That's So Fetch. Oh my gosh, ngiyamthanda abehlekisa. Uyabona le character ayiyona kulokhunjana ku TikTok. Like, she is so funny. Abehlekisa, guys. And then Sabrina Sahamba we went to go and do a thing for like this optometrist. It was part of Home 70, so I did some work there. And I think Logina is for like in makeup because Pretty Adams was like, girl, I want to do your face. I just want you to just model for me. Oh my God, guys. Yo, I felt like hey, Bobina. It's also what Lisa. I was like, no, that's suspicious. Why mean? But yeah, it was really nice. I feel like I did a good job. I got to find out and I'm very good when it comes to I'm a headshots. So when it comes to later ngiyangena thiwa hayibo angizwanga manje hayi bekade bengivuma nje besho ukuthi hayi kulangele ishayile lento hayi cha shame ngiyabona nje guys ningangithathi kanjalo nje ngiyashaya lento athi ngaloke lo ngikhuluma kakhulu ke. So this will be the first time that I'm speaking. Uma sengibuya kwesibili ngizobe sengizovalelisa guys. Enjoy. I hope you guys like this vlog, and yeah, ngiyabonga ukuba khona kwakho.
Cause on my knee, all is begin. Hop off a chick. Finna get rich. Let's do no more run, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, you know my mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me 10, and they clip on like a hoopity jets.
It's like slanted this way in the map of South Africa. There's North Zululand, Ulundi, Manguzi, all the way there, and then there's South, which is Potchefstroom, Mageti, Yabo, Tinasia, and Midlands. It's called the Midlands. Form like a border between KZN and Lesotho. If you can stand on the tip of the mountain and look the other way, it's only Lesotho.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So that's where we're going, but we'll be on the other side, obviously the South Africa side, but at the bottom of the mountains. The towns are Lapo, Bigville, Winterton, Escort, Ladysmith, Newcastle. Yeah.
Ngiyabonga.
We blend.
With this school where they teach you for this. I own this shoes with a drip I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Go to cool fast when they in with an S. Now that I'm home, back on the road, we shut it down, where they sold.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
welcome to the Capeland Park under the Drakensberg Mountains. This is where we shall begin our media and influencer trip with the tourism of KZN group and promoting jazz at the Drakensberg tomorrow. So the weather is now 20 degrees Celsius with the high expected at 23 degrees and the low at 16 degrees.
Okay.
Please enjoy your stay, get comfortable. We're going on some activities now.
Dango.
Guys, look at Jehovah. Hey, Bo.
Yeah, you 32 real fast. My nigga, this holding Nash.
Lalela, ngicela ukhuzeke yezwa. What? Lalela. Come on now.
Chelsea, come on now.
Yo, kwamnandi.
Kamnandi ekhaya. Why ningamnandi? Ingakho singafuni lala emakhaya kumnandi entabeni. Angisanishuthanga ke na.
Can't even honor it, man. Think that's true. Yeah. I'm in London. I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store, shop in the drop and stop at the Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes, throwing my trousers, look at my bricks. These are my tennis, look at my shoes, look at my shoes. Chrome hot socks and sandals, man's outside in Crocs and shambles. Please talk no rambles. Soon as they send it.
Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? 'Cause I got a brand new bag, oh yeah. I just touched down in my
Good morning, guys. Ninjani. My Guyzin
Sanbona, Guyzin. We hope that you enjoyed me and Mandisa in your channel, and hopefully you can go subscribe to our channel.
Ay, boy.
Definitely. Zisho mapoza.
Sithola.
any chance we get. So mina guys uzongithola ku Mendi_care. So just you can even type that on YouTube, because YouTube is on my handles. If you didn't know, now you know. So Mendi Keswa, Okazera Keswa uzongithola lapha ku YouTube, uzongithola ku Instagram, uzongithola TikTok, uzongithola konke indawo nje. Mendi_Keswa.
Lalela period. Okay.
Period. And Nina, guys, it's everything Lala, everything LA. So basically Lala. And Instagram, said TikTok, it's Lala too, but that's still gonna change, guys. But on YouTube, please do subscribe. Everything Lala. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ngiyabonga, guys. Bye.
Look around. Period.
Action.
Everything is Lala.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, guys. If you made it until manje, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. It really means a lot to me. Uyazi, with this whole thing, I really cannot wait to see where uNkulunkulu uzongisa phi. Lately, I've just been having, I feel so optimistic. I feel so reassured. Even when it comes to my passion, which is the creativity, I feel angas, like currently I'm going through the most, but angas I don't know what I want to call it, but I feel so reassured about my life. I get worried about tomorrow. I'm just like, I guess and I'm gonna take everything as is. So I'm so excited. I can't wait. I guys like get excited. I can't wait to show you guys things but I feel so excited about them. So yeah, And just as my last words, I just wanted to say, not a match last words. What's in manch? Abagaba okvala. It's just, I want to say, zinayele. Take care of yourself. Jezikade. Prioritize yourself, your mental health. Gonke. Always understand that you matter. You come first in your life. To whoever or any of your higher source of power, for me it's God. I believe that uNkulunkulu muhle, kubi muhle, khona futhi niyaphila. Ngingalivula ibandla. All in all, take care of yourself, love yourself, nibe righty, and I love you guys so much. Alright, see you. Bye bye.